These are the best silent mice in 2021. Welcome to PC Guide. Number 3. Razer DeathAdder V2 Gaming Mouse. Unlike traditional gaming mice that use mechanical switches, the Razer DeathAdder V2 features optical mouse switches. Without delving into the specifics, this essentially means that the mouse uses an infrared light beam to record a click rather than a physical contact. This results in substantially less noise, no debounce delay, more durability, up to 70 million clicks, and a faster response time, plus low click latency. Designed for long sessions, the Razer DeathAdder V2 features a premium in-hand feel with ergonomic design with comfortable curves, sturdy build quality including PTFE feet, and a light 82-gram weight. Razer's Focus Plus sensor delivers excellent performance with DPIs up to 20,000, fluid movement and pinpoint accuracy. Number 2. Logitech M220. This mouse takes everything we love about the Logitech M330 Silent Plus, but introduces a contoured ergonomic design that's as comfortable for left-handed users as it is for right-handed ones. In-hand feel is excellent with a shape that melds well with the hand for comfort even after long periods. The Logitech M220 responds well to all movement with smooth tracking and precise cursor control, although DPI is set at 1000, excluding it from anything beyond work or everyday tasks. Operation is all but silent thanks again to Logitech's noise-reducing Silent Touch technology, which slashes clicking noise by 90% compared to a run-of-the-mill mouse, and under normal circumstances you'd need to glue your ear to the mouse to even hear the faintest sound. And number 1. VicTsing Wireless Gaming Mouse. If you're in the market for a silent gaming mouse and the Razer DeathAdder V2 is a little out of your price range, then the VicTsing Wireless Gaming Mouse is worth considering. The build quality is mediocre with lots of plastic, but it does feature a stylized design with attractive color LED accents, plus an ergonomic weighty feel at 113 grams. The included USB dongle handles 2.4 GHz wireless connectivity at up to 10 meters away. If you have any questions or recommendations, please drop those in the comments, and if this video helped you, remember to hit like and subscribe, and maybe I can help you again sometime soon. And thanks for watching PC Guide.